Hi guys, Johnny here. I'm gonna be reacting to SMG4. Yeah, it's been a while since I reacted to this channel. Somebody's been asking me to do this, but although it does not interest me, but it's been a while since I reacted to that channel. But anyway, I haven't seen this video. This one was uploaded today. It's called Mario's Boat Trip. I'll go ahead and get this started. But first, if you have not seen the original video, go check it out yourself. And also subscribe to this channel. Show this channel some love. I can't pronounce the name, but I will pronounce that, you know, on his feature videos. But if you've done that, I'll go ahead and get started. 3, 2, 1, go. Gridgy Boy! Nintendo 64. Retarded64!
Oh no! Mamma mia!
Yeah. Ah! The airplane's falling! They're falling!
Ooh. Let's try again, okay?
This is so cool. Ah! Ah, Mario! Ah. Look at Mario! Look at Mario! So awesome! Oh, it's SMG4. Now I get it.
He's a funny. Mamma mia! Hello, little toe. Slap my ass. Oh no! Oh wow! I don't give a shit.
This is actually pretty funny.
I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. Now if I give a shit, I might just give a fuck, but I don't give a shit, so I don't give a.
Ah!
Oh shit!
Ah, it's so hilarious. SpongeBob!
What the fuck was that?
Ah, he just ate a candy.
Shit.
This is so funny. Mommy, is that you? Yeah, I'm not gonna read the dialogue.
Whoa!
Oh shit.
I got it.
Really? Ha! Oh, look, he's like he's having sex.
Shut.
I now know what I have to do. My people need a hero.
Ha!
Piece of shit.
That's so funny.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Fucking
Paper Mario music. I really love this music. Look at Mario, it's so funny. How'd that break?
get that motherfucker.
Mario. 2 hours later. Ooh. Say, I'm hungry. Have you got any food?
Yeah.
I'ma guess I'ma go fishing.
fuck are you talking about?
Come here, fishy.
Toad!
You done fucked up now! Pow! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh! That was dangerous. Ah, they're being roasted!
This makes me so happy. My nigga, you just got
They're cooking them alive! Cooking them like Bobber you!
Okie dokie. La la la.
No!
La la la. La 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 la.
That didn't work.
Fucking idiot. Yahoo! Wahoo! Yeah!
Yeah, he is a smooth talker.
Hey. Can I sing a song for you? What?
If you love me, let me go! Shut the fuck up!
Okie dokie.
They're calling!
La 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 la. What? My pumpkin senses are tingling. My friends need me to the pumpkin mobile.
Oh, for Batman series! For the Batman 66!
Time to go save my friends. Okay, let's go. Oh dear. I don't want to go over the speed limit though. I hope my friends are okay.
Oh no, they're burning apart! Man, that car's really
Oh
small.
dear. I'm never gonna make it at this rate. Oh, I got a good idea. I'll use my pumpkin sonar. Calling all pumpkin friends. My pals are in danger. Can you stop playing poker, please? I really need your help.
Nope.
Oh, look, there it is. I'm here. Okay. Whoa, what's happening?
The fuck?
Oh, what are you cooking? Can I have some? No. I'll have you know, I know fishy kung fu. Take some of this and some of that.
Really? He's not doing anything!
You're gonna get this. Daddy! Daddy, they're being so mean to me. Can you do something?
How you doing?
Boom!
Oh, hey guys, what's up? Where are you going?
Peppo con citato para poteco no poto che sadora pa grato. Va bene, sotto corrimete bata na prosciutto dai.
Hey, motherfucker!
Oh, let me see.
Ah,
Dad, can I go, please?
that's so hilarious.
Mamma mia.
Whoa!
Disney Sea!
Wahoo! Yeah!
Yay, we're here!
There you go, they're having so much fun. So cool. I really enjoy this. Yeah, I really enjoy his content, the SMG4. Yeah, I should be reacting to his channel more often. This is actually pretty good. I really enjoy it. Anyway, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more of my future content. Hit that like button in this video if you enjoy it. And I'll see you next time for more SMG4 videos. And let's not forget, stay awesome, everyone.